Hey, this is Brian, thanks for watching Keys. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your mirror caps to carbon fiber on an F90 M5. Now, for the F90 M5, we manufacture dry carbon fiber mirror caps, and while that often gets confused whether it's matte or gloss, it actually has nothing to do with it. The term dry actually refers to the manufacturing technique. As you can see, we have carbon on the outside and carbon on the inside with some plastic clips that are going to give you OEM-like fitment. If you see cheap carbon fiber on the market, that's typically wet carbon fiber, where they'll basically start with a plastic shell like this, whether it's OEM or an aftermarket substitute, and then they will wrap it in carbon fiber. But that style tends to bubble and fade over time, where this is going to give you the longest life, and it's super light and durable. So with that, let me show you how to install it. Now, for this install, there's two main ways that you can do it. The first way, which we have videos on how to do it, you can actually remove the glass. That's what's technically recommended by BMW. However, you have an added element of potentially breaking your glass, where if you break it, you're gonna be out about $400. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do it without touching the glass, just with a simple pick tool. Whenever I'm installing a new part, I like to look at the aftermarket part and see basically what I need to be working with. Now, the clip over here and then the clip over here, these are going to be your main connection points that you need to work with. What we're going to do is I'm going to carefully rock the glass down. Again, we're not removing it. Then with a pick tool, I'm going to reach around and we are going to press out on some of these clips here, these two over here, and then these two over here, while gently pulling away from the mirror housing. And then this is going to allow us to disconnect the mirror cap completely, again, without risking your glass. So let me show you on the car. Now, so that you guys can get a better look at this, I'm just gonna twist the mirror housing. This is not necessary, this is strictly for video. So now what you're going to do is gently push the glass down, just like that. And then we need to get to tabs that are up here. So then what you're going to do is apply some outward pressure while you lift up on the one tab and then press the other tab down. Then you can start to loosen up the other tabs. There you go, just like that. Okay, so then you can, I just need to put the mirror back to where it's supposed to go. Just rotate it over, just pull it out like that. Now there is another connection over here. Well, it's really the only connection. So just pull that out just like that. And look at that. You have your mirror cap off and no tabs are broken. Everything is totally intact. Again, what I was doing was I was reaching around the mirror, applying a little outward pressure. Then I was releasing this bottom one, releasing the top one, and then the same over here. And then the whole thing just kind of pops off. All right, so now what we're going to do, you need to remove this T10 over here and this T10 over here. We're going to transfer our turn signal indicator over to our new mirror cap. Okay, so that's what the screws look like. Okay, and the second one. Okay, so then with the light, you can see that this little tab is over the tab on there. So I like to just press this over and that'll free that up, but we still have a tab over here. So just kind of separate the mirror cap a little bit and then this will pop out just like that. Okay, so then you can take your light and you can install it into the new mirror cap. Then you can reinstall those two little screws. Then at this point, you can take your plug, pop that back in. Then we're going to start on this side, get everything lined up, start to navigate it around. And then you're just gonna give it a final push to clip it in place. Then once you're done on the passenger side, you can do the exact same thing on the driver's side. that's how easy it is to install dry carbon fiber mirror caps on an F90 M5 without breaking your glass. If you're interested in a set for your car, or you're curious about other things you can do to your F90 M5, be sure to see the links down in the description. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching today's video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Check us out at kies.com, KIES.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.